Thanks for checking out Wix Quick Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to upload your own custom fonts to the website in Editor X and Editor Code. Wix has a huge library of fonts, but sometimes you already have a perfect font for your design. Here's how to upload that custom font to Wix. First, make sure you have the OTF or TTF files for the font you want to use. Next, on your website, go ahead and add a text element. Edit the text element and click the font selection drop-down. At the bottom there will be an upload font option. It will prompt you to upload the OTF or TTF file. Once that is uploaded, click off the element, click it again, and press edit. Now your custom font will be at the very top under the My Fonts in the drop-down. You can now use this font on any of your sites within Wix. This technique is exactly the same on Editor Code, but you'll just have to scroll down to the bottom of the list for the upload font option. Thank you guys for watching this Wix Quick Tip. Don't forget to subscribe to get your Wix fix and comment down below any questions you have about Wix or Editor X, and I will try to either answer them in the comments below or even make a video on the topic. See you all in the next one.